So for the final part of sketching Tobey Maguire, our focus will be shifted from the reverse part that we have made a little bit more darker into parts where we are going to apply more details. Like if you want to see more and more details, you have to zoom out your pictures, right? And I have uploaded a complete tutorial in my previous videos that how to zoom out your pictures, how to apply grid method and this type of things. You can check out those tutorials. And if you want to see this complete sketch in real time, how I apply pressure, how I use eraser, how I use pencil and everything in real time, 7 to 8 hours sketch is complete. So you can check out on my second channel, which is Shwet Sketches 2.0. You can check out that channel too. And now after applying those smaller details, the cell structures, if you will focus on your cell structure or the skin texture, you will see that you cannot see those details directly. You have to keep your, if you want to see the skin texture of your hands, you have to keep your eyes particular close to your hands. So after those closer things, you can see more and more details, but you cannot see directly because those are the smallest part. And to make those smaller parts more smaller and more detailed, you should use mechanical pencil to make skin textures, and don't apply pressure while making mechanical pencils with skin texture to make skin textures, because if you will apply layer bit more pressure to make those skin texture, it will look or it will pop out. And as we discussed that while directly seeing those parts, it is not practically easy. So while making those parts more and more easily possible, use your rubber with smaller parts with a mechanical pencil, apply less pressure, and after applying less pressure, you can see more and more details to your skin textures. Sharpening your pencils as an artistic way is a completely more time consuming thing, and if you will sharpen your pencil with your common sharpeners and anything that you use, after every 5 or 10 strokes your pencil will look completely flat and it will give you a little bit flat look. And if you will focus on the hairs of smaller hairs like eyelashes and eyebrows, these are the parts which have two small hairs, and to make those two small hairs you have to use smaller pointed pencil like mechanical pencil. But the problem with mechanical pencil is that you cannot go more darker, and if you want to make it more darker, you have to apply pressure. And after applying so much pressure to make your pencils and eyebrows look more darker, your page will give a dent on backside part and it will look not easy, and if you want to erase it afterwards, it is not easily possible. So after even erasing it, it will look completely horrible. So for this problem you should use a base things. So using a mechanical pencil only, after applying less pressure, just trace out the details like where the eyebrows are starting and where they are ending. And for the eyelashes part, you can use directly 8B or 7B pencil for the darker parts, and for the cornea parts you should go for base layer, second layer, third layer. These are the layers to use for the parts of eyes only. And in every part, the thing is that you don't go directly. Like the cornea part, it is completely black, we all know that, right? But if you will use 8B or 9B pencil directly on those pinpoint or darker parts, it will look completely horrible because it will not be blended easily with every part of the eyes and every part of the face, and it will pop out from every other part of the face. So for this thing you have to go for layer by layer things. So if you will use 2B as a base layer, then blend it, 3B and 5B, this type of things, and layering things, your sketch will look completely beautiful. And the thing is that I was giving up for this particular portrait that I am making because the right hand side part was not easily blended with the left hand side part of the Tobey Maguire. So I didn't give up, and I used erasers and so many details. I zoom out my pictures and applied more and more details to every parts. So after using a 8B pencil, which is sharpened one, for the beard parts, right hand side beard is looking darker because those are the shadows part, and left hand side part of the face beard is looking a little bit lighter because the same thing that it is directly on the light source, so it will also look like little bit whiter things. And after applying those parts or beard with 8B pencil, I'm going to make a neck part. For the neck part, I'm using, as we all know, that 2B as a base layer. Then again, for the right hand side part of the face, neck part, where the darker side is going on, because darker side of the neck is little bit more, make 5B or 6B pencil. Don't go directly for that, use 2B, as we all know that we have made 2B as a base layer. Then secondly, use 4B pencil for the darker parts, as you can see that a 4B pencil as a darker part on the right hand side part of the neck. Then after blending it, again use 8B pencil for the complete dark parts, not every part but for the complete darker parts. So after making those parts, you can blend out using earbud. Also you can use a makeup brush, or makeup brush is practically not recommended by me for the darker parts, because makeup brush makes those parts not blended with the darker parts. But if you want to make a blacker and whiter parts and the middle part not completely white, not completely black, you can use a makeup brush or paint brush on those parts only. So after blending those parts, now our focus will be on the t-shirt that Tobey Maguire is wearing. So for those, if you will zoom out the picture, reference picture that I'm using, I see so many details on the t-shirt also, like the straight strips, so many straight strips. So to make those straighter strips, I have used a charcoal pencil, and charcoal pencil gives you a complete darker and more aesthetic look. So sharpening the charcoal pencil is practically too much time consuming, so I have uploaded another tutorial how I sharpen my charcoal pencil. You can check out on my channel too. So sharpening the charcoal pencil, I am using hard charcoal pencil for the base layer, making straight strips on my pencils using hard charcoal pencil. Then I'm going to use a medium charcoal pencil for the little bit more darker parts, like the upside part of the t-shirt is completely black. You cannot see so much details on those parts. So for those parts, I am using medium charcoal pencil and blending it using makeup brush. Then after blending it, you can also use blending stump for the darker parts. It is also practically possible for those parts also. So after using blending stump, you can use a soft charcoal pencil, which is the darkest one, on the only parts you see completely dark, like the upside part, right hand side shoulder part is completely dark, so you can use soft charcoal pencil there also. But for the left hand side part of the Tobey Maguire's t-shirt, it is a little bit lighter because the light source is directly on those parts, right? So for those parts, I am using a brush for blending those parts, and after blending, make stripes. So that was all for this tutorial. If you have learned something from this video, subscribe and drop a like, and comment down your question and queries regarding this tutorial. Meanwhile, take care of your loved ones too. Have an artistic day. Tattoos.